I came home tonight from work to find two little unexpected lambs. We have a little boy and a little girl. Yeah, a little baby. To one of our mamas that we actually thought was infertile. We thought that she couldn't get pregnant. And so she was on our list to go to the processor. And so she's been in with our rams that we separated from with one of our other girls. And then this week we noticed that she was bagging up and showing all the signs of getting ready to give birth. And she's kind of a bigger girl. So this is her first birth. And so we have one little boy. Oh, this is our little girl. One little girl and her brother, one little boy. So I just came home, made sure that she had some molasses water. You can see Maisie laying down right there. Gave her some grain. They don't really get grain, but they look great. They're all cleaned up and they look wonderful. I will feel better when I see them nursing, but she's I do, Mama. But she seems good. It's a beautiful day to have a baby or two. Very exciting. So this is actually one of our lambs from last year. This is not usually the time of the year that we shoot for, but we didn't think she could get pregnant. So we had a vet confirm that she seemed infertile as well as this one. So this was such a nice surprise to come home to. Two little babies, little white babies. So these are actually Ava's. Go ahead, buddy. This is the one that I really want to see nurse. Go ahead, buddy. This is the little boy. Maisie, good girl. Good girl. It's a good night.